Hi guys, if you want to see this makeup that I did on my mom, please keep watching because it's actually kind of good. Just my favorite part's not the eyes right here. If you like the eyes, like, but if you don't like the eyes, then subscribe. If you like the lips, hit the bell. If you don't like the lips, then keep watching. And if you don't know me, I am Candice's daughter, and I have been on YouTube, and I have been seeing people doing some cool stuff. So I am going to be on YouTube with my mom, and I'm going to be doing makeup for her because I don't know why, but she said I want to do it. So yeah. All right, now take off your glasses.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Are you gonna make me look beautiful?
I will try.
All right.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah. First.
So if you have any questions on anything, just ask me and I can help you.
Okay.
And I mean, you can just take it from here.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
First, I'm going to use the foundation.
And what does the foundation do?
Foundation to make you better.
Make me better.
Way better than your regular skin. Like, it helps your skin to look better, kind of.
Okay.
All right. Pat it down.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold.
Woo. Woo.
Oh, jeez. Right here. Oh, jeez. It's kind of hard. Kind of looks like a carrot a little bit.
You don't care.
Like, it kind of looks like a carrot. Oh, jeez. Nose. Oh, jeez, I got more.
Okay. Oh.
Told you look like a carrot.
I don't know if this was my right color. It's okay.
Yeah, it's kind of good color.
Okay.
Oh!
Watch my lashes, girl.
You can do them again.
Slowly. Are you this rough with all of your clients?
No! All right. Ready? These. Oh, that's better.
That looks better.
Yeah, way, way better. Looks like you're on yourself better.
Okay. What are you using? What's this palette from? What is the name of the palette?
It's the box of crayons.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna use the black.
Black.
Black, yes. Yeah.
Wait. Okay.
It's gonna go.
Oh man.
I'm gonna just press it down.
Okay.
It's gonna get on your nose a little bit. It's not the best, but that's okay. A little bit more.
A little more. Girl.
Okay, that's good. Perfect.
Wait. So we're literally just doing this black on my eyes and that's it?
No, not that. Not that. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit more later on.
Okay. You're just gonna
That's how I do it right here, people. That's how I do it.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna use this pink. Nice little pink. I don't know what it's called, but they'll wait.
It's from Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Beverly Hills. Nice. Alright. There we go. It's kind of good. Yeah. A little bit more. A bit more. I might use some little bit red on it.
Okay.
That's okay. Okay. Actually good.
Okay.
Now let's see. What else should we do? Okay. Yar. It's Yar right here.
What? Wait.
It's
No.
called Yar.
Yara. Oh, that's
Yara.
blush. That's blush.
It's a blush.
It's from Juvia's Place.
Julius. All right.
Let me see.
Okay. What should we do this one? Okay.
You know what? Where does blush go?
On your cheeks.
Okay. She told me.
Yes. It's actually good.
Okay.
It kind of blends in with the makeup that I did earlier. I need a little bit more.
You don't want to use a different color?
Nah.
Okay.
I'm good because I want to blend in, okay? All right. Yeah. Let's see. I want to do this kind.
That's highlight.
Highlight.
Yeah. Where does highlight go?
I don't know. On your eyebrows?
It can. It's supposed to like highlight like under your cheek, the top of your cheek.
Oh, okay.
You can put a little bit like on your forehead, on the tip of your nose.
All right. I'm gonna use summer.
Okay.
Right here. And this is from Anastasia.
Beverly Hills.
Yeah.
Same thing.
All right.
Anastasia, whatever. That's a good one. That's a good brush.
Yeah, that's a good brush.
That's a lot.
I know.
Oh man, I'm gonna close my eyes for this one.
You better, because I'm gonna cover up the black.
That's where you use the concealer. Wait.
So you said that's a good brush. So
okay. You talking about the black eyeshadow or the dark circles under my eyes?
The under your eyes.
I have dark circles? Girl. Oh no. This girl.
I'm the perfect one. No like.
Oh god.
Perfect. I'm gonna use brown because for your eyes to cover up that black right there because I know you don't want it.
Okay.
Okay, so let me use this one. Alright. All round one. Not the tan. Brown. Okay. Oh, it's actually taking over. Yes.
It's better?
Yeah, it's getting really better.
Okay.
So, yeah, I'm putting a little bit more brown. Oh yeah, it's kind of blending in with your lips.
Okay.
with your makeup lips. A little bit more on the other eye for that one. Nice actually. It's actually really nice.
It looks really nice.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, look at yourself in the mirror.
Okay.
Actually good, right?
It's a little better.
Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes.
I wonder if my clients feel like this when I'm doing their makeup.
Really?
Because you rough.
I need more foundation.
No, you don't need
Where
more
is the foundation?
That's when you use concealer. So you're trying to do...
Concealer. Now I'm going to do concealer. Okay. Nice. It's from...
LA Girl Pro.
LA Girl Pro?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Where you putting this at? Under my eyes?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, perfect. Perfect. I'm going to do the other one, and then I'm going to use a spoon.
So you use the pointy end of the sponge.
Yeah, the pointy end. Okay. Wait, and a little bit more. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Pointy end.
Is it blending out?
Yeah, it's blending.
Okay, that's good.
I know I'm rough, right?
This feels a little better this time.
Feels good.
It's not my favorite. That's what you always say. It's not my favorite.
Okay. Look in the mirror.
Okay.
Back to good?
I just want you to blend this part out, like in the inside, like a little bit better. You can use this brush. Okay. Is that why are you making the noise? Is that better?
Yeah, look at that. Look. It's blending in.
Yeah, do some work in the inside right here.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, because it's still doing it.
Okay.
Perfect.
Go me.
Ooh, I know what to use. Okay.
I want some like pretty blush on my cheeks, like to match my lipstick. Don't you think it has to be like pink or something to match my lipstick?
Ooh, I have the perfect one.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the same palette, but I'm gonna use this Lena right here to match perfectly. Perfect. Should I do this one?
The purple big brush.
Alright. Oh, it's actually nice. Actually really nice.
Okay.
Actually feels kind of cool, right? Because that's what happened last time I did the makeup like this. It feels so good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm put a little bit more because it's not kind of blending in this one because I use a lot. All right, there you go.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna blend. Now I'm gonna do the eyes.
Okay.
All right, I should use this pink. This pink right here. All right, I'm gonna use that pink. Let's see. All right. Ooh, this purple. This purple one looks actually really good. It's actually really soft. Ah,
Oh man.
dang it!
Get another one.
Gone forever. It's kind of like the same one, but it's actually a purple one. It's actually really good. From Anastasia, Beverly Hills.
You getting all my money.
It's actually a really nice one, actually. I like it.
Okay.
Okay. And a little bit more. I do it. All right.
Now what do you want me to do? You mean to block?
Yeah. It's actually blending really good.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you're finished, so you're gonna spray my face with the finishing spray.
Finishing spray.
Yeah, it's by Scandinavia.
Like all
over. You just spray like 3 times. Like just do 2 times. You gotta say close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
So it can last all day.
Really?
Mm-hmm. But don't do it close.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
And one more. I'm gonna do 3.
No, 2 is good. Okay. All right, boo. You did good.
Are you sure about the eyelids? Because I don't like that part. I like the lips better.
You like the lips? That's your favorite part?
Yep.
Okay. Well, thank you for doing this for me.
Welcome.
I'll give you some makeup lessons. When you get a little older.
Oh,
okay. Because you're too young right now.
No.
But this is cool. This is our quarantine, mommy and me makeup time.
Yeah.
You did good. So can I get my money back on this?
No, because it's free.
But you did really good. I'm very proud of you. Well, thanks guys for tuning in. If you want to see more looks like this, or maybe if you want to see me do some beautiful makeup on my Gigi, then please stay tuned and y'all stay safe. And bye guys.
Bye. Peace.